Guys, check this out. The new OBS feature. You can enable noise cancellation easily. Right now you can see this Yeti bar. It's like when I'm not speaking, it will be very low, like all the way to the left side, while its noise cancellation is on. I mean, I added some plugin noise cancellation. Here is how to add it. This option filter, and there is plus sign. You can add it from there. It's called noise suppression. See what happens when I remove this. I'm not speaking. Then even then the noise is going this far to the right, which means noise suppression really works. See, if you like it, then you can use it. Don't forget to subscribe. Here I am showing you again. Noise suppression. Only high CPU uses works better. Let's see if low CPU uses work better or not. Not as much effective as high CPU uses one. So I will select high CPU uses, then close it. See the difference.